alam mo, under the law, the same law that I mentioned, that we give priority to high-profile cases, high government officials, officials who hold supervisory positions, or cases that involve huge amount of money or big property. Now, I recall that when I was new there and the PDAP cases came out, Ms. Napoles came out with an affidavit targeting 3 senators. There are Senators Enrile, Estrada, and Revilla. Given the fact that there was already this testimonial claim against them, nauna yan definitely. Hindi ka na naghirap na naghanap ng ebidensya, of course, on top of what you gather. Now, as I have always said, sinasabi nila na selective justice daw kami. Hindi naman selective kasi, as I was saying, nung pumasok ako, yung majority at the present time was the opposition during the past administration. In the same manner na ngayon, yung opposition in the past administration is now the majority. So, pag sinabi nila mabagal kami, I inherited more than 19,000 cases dating back as old as 1999, would you believe? Maraming natulog. And naturally, we had to attend to them kasi aged na nga eh. On top of the fact that in the interim, about 35,000 cases were filed. And I'm proud to say, as I have said again, pending namin as of December 2016 was more than 6,000 cases.